Move out cleaning transformation. See the inside of this oven go from dirty to shiny. Triple J cleaning of Omaha. We are doing this oven. As you see, it's very dirty in the inside. We're doing scrubbing. We put those white towels to prevent any dripping on your floor. And as you see, we are scrubbing. We're doing now a little bit of wiping, and you will see the glass look a little bit much better. We are not done yet. We still have to do a little bit more scrubbing, more wiping. On this part, you can see it's almost done. You can see the shyness. Wow, it looks really nice. There's nothing on the glass. The inside also, you can see the blue again.